Hey Flip Nation, Flip Man here. So starting my day, heading over to Atlas and getting a quick HIIT workout, and then heading back to the home office for a couple hours, and then looking at some property, going to a few stores to show you guys. We do a lot with Lowe's, so we're gonna head over to Lowe's, and Floor and Decor is another favorite of mine. Gotta drop some stuff off there, and then I'm gonna show you guys my very first Airbnb, Phoenix Sky Harbor today, so stay tuned. Hey guys, just finished the HIIT workout at Atlas. I freaking hated it. It was horrible, but I actually loved it because I'm done. And now we're gonna go about the day, back to the crib, the office, working away. Keep you posted. All right guys, workout's done. Let me show you around what's been going on here at the house. So this room, our electrician was struggling because the attic space was small, so he was here all day yesterday. This is where the business center is going to be, so we'll have the desk right here. We got our light, and this is where they'll do their business work when they're at the luxury. Got my Palm Beach drink from Dutch Bros. Thanks to Victoria over there. This here is our marble dining room, so check this out. Miguel did a killer job, and it ties into this beautiful piece here with the staircase. Check this out guys, the kitchen area. Love the suede chairs that our interior designer, Elise, shout out to Elise, she picked these and we approved them. It's gonna match our black couch over there. So again, you guys know about the marble countertops. We did the glass backsplash with the white and black. Our custom hood's coming in 2 weeks. So we're about 2 months into it, another 2 months to roll, and we're all done, so. So we're heading out from the meeting at the luxury. We're heading over to Lowe's, then we're going to Floor and Decor, and then we're gonna go to my first Airbnb, so you guys will get to check that out. These homes are anywhere from 6,000 square feet to 4,000 square feet. It's a tract home development built in 2005. There's about 80 homes. We bought it from a national home builder, and we have the second largest, the 5,000 square foot model. We are picking up some supplies for the luxury Airbnb at Lowe's. Some things that I wanted to pick out personally. Fans, lights, core items. Like they have a lot better than Home Depot. Oh, here's some things for the bathroom too. Some hooks. So with these handles, we ordered it online a few times and the fit wasn't there. They were either too small or too big. So I wanted to come and pick these out myself. We know they're 3 inches, but I wanted the bigger handle look. So with this card, you either get 5% off the total bill, or you could do 6 months where you don't have to pay any interest on the credit card.
Which one we going with?
I'm gonna go with the 5%. Okay. Save a little money. Sometimes I do use the 6 months, no interest. Just depends where I'm at, how many houses I have, stuff like that. All right, thank you so much. So we're gonna run across the street to Home Depot. We ordered some online pedestals for the washer dryer like a month ago, and they were supposed to be here, and then we'll see if they have a cool kitchen faucet.
Yeah, there was a few items at Lowe's that we couldn't find, but we still have a few more things on our list, so we're gonna check out Home Depot and see if they have it.
We ordered a bunch of these from Amazon. It's a great way, instead of using like shampoo bottles and conditioner bottles that are half used, you just have the housekeeping staff pour the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. It's the way to go.
Yeah, you put those in every Airbnb, right?
Yep. So we need a couple towel racks. Awesome. Looks like they have singles here. So we need 2 of these guys. And Lowe's didn't have the singles, so it's a good thing they have them here. We got these 2. So that's interesting. Sometimes Lowe's has more options on certain things, and sometimes Home Depot. So thankfully they're close together. We just hopped across the street. So I like that one right there.
The Elmbrook?
Yes. Yeah. It's gonna be nice to have a kitchen faucet. We've been out with that kitchen faucet now for like a month.
Well, it says they got 7 of them up there.
Okay, well, we're just kind of playing around with it. We're gonna figure out.
Well, we need 3.
We need 3, but we gotta figure out which one to go with, because I know there's a lot of options nowadays.
You might want to jot that number down.
I'll let her do that because she has her count. Is that the exact one?
Yeah. And it's the same price, and it's 3 inches.
Awesome.
Not black.
So we got everything we needed today. We did a quick stop at Lowe's and Home Depot, so it took about an hour and 20 minutes. And so we're done for the day shopping. We are going to stop by one of my favorite stores, Floor & Decor, and return some backsplash real quick. And then after that, we're heading to my very first Airbnb to check it out, share a little bit more with you guys. Heading to my very first Airbnb, Phoenix Sky Harbor.
So you're just kind of dropping stuff off?
Yeah, I like to swing by it like once a month just to see how it looks and see how the housekeeper's doing. We have a guest checking in tomorrow. He'll be here for like 4 days. The last person stayed for a couple weeks. So yeah, it's about a little over 1,000 square feet. I like the fact that the chill room's down here, the living room's down here, and then you have the kitchen over there. And then there's 2 bedrooms upstairs. At some point, I want to change this rug. We do have a lot of people that work from home nowadays, so it's good to have a desk in some of your Airbnbs. And then we get a lot of business travelers here too, being close to Sky Harbor. So this bathroom, we got the dispenser we just purchased at Lowe's, or you could get those at Amazon. Definitely recommend it because of the fact that you don't really want to use someone else's shampoo bottle, and this is the cleanest way to do it. So we have 2 bedrooms up here. They're both the same size, and then we have the Jack and Jill bathroom in the middle. There, eventually I want to replace the carpet, and I want to get some of those more modern lights in here, Victoria. These I just bought from Walmart. Well, I had the maid buy these because my dad and I came about a month ago, and they were just, time was up. Like the bottoms get burnt, so you buy these at Walmart for about 70 bucks, 60 bucks. So one of our last trips of the day, we're back at Lowe's. The interior designer ordered this awesome black matte appliance package, and we're just here to pay for it, and we'll be ending the day soon. Hey guys, so we had a really adventurous day. I hope you enjoy it, seeing the life behind the scenes of what we do every day. So this is our first vlog of many, so we'll check you out soon on the next one.